Join me as I tackle these amazing workout secrets to see if women can fit faster. Getting fit can be challenging, but with the right approach, women can achieve their fitness goals faster than they ever thought possible. The key is to focus on practical workout secrets tailored to their needs and goals. Many women face common challenges in their fitness journeys, such as time constraints, lack of motivation, or ineffective workout routines. Time constraints are a significant hurdle, as many women have busy lives with work, family, and other responsibilities. Finding time to exercise can be difficult, but it is essential to prioritize it. Lack of motivation is another common challenge, as it can be hard to stay motivated, especially when results are slow to appear. Ineffective workout routines are also a significant challenge, as many women may be doing exercises not tailored to their goals or fitness level. This can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing them to give up on their fitness journey. Many women also struggle with body image issues, which can make it harder to stay motivated and focused on their fitness goals. Exercise is just one part of the equation, as nutrition and lifestyle also play a critical role in achieving fitness goals. Women must fuel their bodies with the right foods to support their workout routine and overall health. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a game changer for women who want to get fit faster. This type of workout involves short bursts of intense exercise and brief rest periods. Strength training is also essential, as it helps build lean muscle mass, boost metabolism, and burn fat. Nutrition is also critical, as a balanced diet provides the energy and nutrients needed to support a workout routine. Proper nutrition and recovery techniques can make all the difference in a woman's fitness journey. A balanced diet with plenty of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can help support muscle growth and repair. Getting enough rest and recovery time is also essential, as this allows the body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Success stories can be a powerful motivator for women just starting their fitness journey. Hearing about other women who have achieved their goals can be inspiring and help them stay motivated. For example, a woman who loses 50 pounds through HIIT and strength training can motivate others. Another success story is a woman who transforms her body through nutrition and exercise. She starts by making small changes to her diet, such as cutting out processed foods and sugar, and then begins a workout routine that includes strength training and cardio. Over time, she sees significant changes in her body, including increased muscle mass and decreased body fat. Incorporating these workout secrets into a daily routine can be a game changer for women who want to get fit faster. Women can achieve their fitness goals and transform their bodies by focusing on HIIT, strength training, nutrition, and recovery. The key is to stay consistent and motivated, and to make healthy lifestyle choices that support overall health and wellness. To summarize, the key workout secrets for women who want to get fit faster include HIIT, strength training, nutrition, and recovery. By incorporating these secrets into a daily routine, women can achieve their fitness goals and transform their bodies. If you have found these workout secrets helpful, share your fitness experiences in the comments below, and do not forget to check out my other videos for more fitness tips and motivation.